Alright, so now we have the midnight iPhone 13 mini and iPhone 13 here. And I'm interested to see, because why did Apple change it from black to midnight? We will see right now as we open these. Again, as I've said in the other videos, iPhone 13 mini, $700. iPhone 13, $800, so $100 difference. 2 hours extra battery life, slightly larger screen. Not slightly, it is quite larger than the mini. But of course, you're really choosing form factor here, because if you prefer a larger screen, do not save the $100 and go for the mini. You should go for the larger device, or else you'll end up regretting it. You should really be choosing the mini because of the form factor. So here it is, midnight, and first impressions, it's just deep black. So I like it. It's just full on deep black. There's no grayness to the back. This is deep black in the same way that the red right here is deep red. Look at that. Yep. Super nice, actually. If you wanted a black phone, this is a black phone. The sides here are full on matte black. Really good. So not space gray, full on matte black. I feel like a lot of you are really going to like that. Let's open up the iPhone 12. Of course, it's the exact same thing, but larger. And now in the box, you aren't really going to get anything special. You're just going to get the USB-C to Lightning in here. And then at the top, an Apple sticker and a SIM eject tool, as well as a quick start guide. So nothing crazy there. The prints on these boxes, actually, I just wanted to note, they're actually quite bad quality for some reason. They almost look fake. Worth noting. It's just something that I noticed this year with the boxes from Apple. They're usually quite crisp. Yeah, I don't know. So yeah, let's move on with the color here. This is going to be the one that attracts the most smudges, though. I'm almost afraid to touch the back because of it. But yeah, let's remove the front films here. And for those of you that like something more satisfying, here, I'll put it closer. And let's see if we can get something better there. Yeah, not really. Ever since they changed this, they don't make the same sound as they used to. But let's go ahead and touch the back here so you can see. No smudges and... smudged. Look at that. Yeah, so I mean, it's definitely something that you'd want to put maybe a skin on, matte skin, a matte black skin, something like that would be super cool on this, just because this would drive me nuts personally. This is just way too much, and I wouldn't be able to take this. It's way too much. But it is a very nice deep black, which is cool. Of course, one of the more important things are the accents, because if you do put a skin on this or a case, this is what you're going to see. So we have a nice matte finish black there. We have the super nice sides. Let's put these both together and zoom this in so you can see that. Looks super, super good. I thought that by midnight they were probably going to add some blue tint to it or something, but nope, it's completely black, which makes, of course, a lot more sense than adding blue to it. But yeah. Oh, I lost focus there. So instead, let me go ahead and show it to you on the other camera here from a distance. So it's just going to look deep black, super clean, traditional, classic, timeless. There you go. Two sizes right there. Trying to ignore the glare from the light behind that. And talking on the phone here. Yeah. Talking on the phone here. Texting on the phone here. And then a close-up view of the color here. There we go. Super nice, both of them together. Super nice colors. Very traditional. There's really nothing nice or nothing crazy to say about these, because they are as traditional as they come. Just pure black. If you're going for the mini, definitely do it for form factor. Now let's go ahead and put some cases on this. And let me show you here the MagSafe battery pack. Black and white, looks really good. MagSafe battery pack on the mini. You can see it takes up the whole thing here, so looks really good. And it also feels good. Whoops. I have the MagSafe Wallet here. Let me get that right there. And then right here. Very good. I definitely say that the colors are very nice, and I highly recommend you get a color if you don't typically go for colors, because they are quite nice. But if you just like black, you're going to be super satisfied and you're going to love this color, especially if you put a back on it. I just am not a fan of how glossy this is, but if you like that, then rejoice. It reminds me of the old iPhone 7 days when we got jet black. Best thing is though, it's a glass back, so you can just take a wipe and in 2 seconds just bring it back to brand new, which is perfect. So let's put on just some black cases here, because that's all I have, so this is going to work perfect here. Black with a clear back. Not for this phone. I keep doing this. Oh well. At least it's a recurring theme throughout all the videos now. And there we go. I definitely say that a frosted back on these would be much better. You could even go with something like, I'll show you in a second, hold on. Difficult to remove these. I don't have the proper size for this phone, but like one of those Aramid fiber cases or a carbon fiber case is gonna look great with this. You can kind of see the side here. Just get an idea for it. And it's not focusing, there we go. Yeah, it would just look classic with one of these. Last but not least, I have this pink case on here. In case, I know some people kind of do this thing. But of course you can put any colored case on this and it would look fantastic. So you know, this is just kind of an idea for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out all the other videos and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.